मंगलाचरण। ओम श्री चिद्घन गणेशाय नमो मह्यम सुखम नित्यं सप्रकाशं व्यापकं नाम रूपयो अधिष्ठानं बुद्धिबोध्यं बुद्धेर्दिव्यत्व निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदांत वेद्यं प्रत्यक् परं महः तदेवाहं नमत्वन्यद् इति मे निश्चितामतिः। This all in the end अनेक विशेषणानां प्रयोजनम् as सर्वप्रकारेण ब्रह्मज्ञानोत्पत्तये, only for the rise of knowledge in all ways for the Siddhanti anyway. Further, Swapratyagaatma Vishayaka Mangalacharana Vishaye Akshapa Samadhanani. Now there are a lot of questions as to why this kind of a Mangalacharana is done where you are praying to yourself, Chidghana. So there the Prathama Akshepaha. Nanu Harihara Brahmadishu Upasyeshu Satsu Tat Smaranatmaka Mangalacharanam Vihaya Swatma Smarana Rupam Mangalam Kimiti Yuktam Kartumiti Chet. Question is Harihara Brahma. So you have Hari, Hara, Brahma. You have this triad, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. They are upasya. They are worship worthy. When they are there, instead of doing Mangalacharana unto them, giving that up, instead you are doing a Swatma Rupa Mangalacharana, meaning Swatma Smarana Rupa Mangalacharana. You are thinking about yourself, not offering namaskaras to Ishvara in manifest form. You are doing Mangalacharana of your own self. How is that valid? So Samadhanam Uchyate. Mai Akhanda Chidambhodau Harihara Brahmar Kendra Chandra Varuna Yama Shakti Kubera Ganapati Adi Upalakshitaha Sarve Api Devaha Tarangayante. Ataha Mai Sarva Prapanchadisthane Jagatkarane Smrute Matkarya Bhutaste Sarve Api Devaha Smrutayo Bhavanti Tasmat Swavishayakam Mangalacharanam Eva Yuktam. So Siddhanti justifying that all the Harihara Brahma, not only the Brahma Vishnu Mahesha triad, but even Surya, Chandra, all of these, Indra, Varuna, Yama, Shakti, Kubera, Ganapati, all of these, and Upalakshita, you can add any Devata that you, Ishta Devata or any Kula Devata, any of that you think, all of them are Sarve Api Devaha Mayeva Tarangante. What kind of me? Not this Jiva who is with the body mind sense complex, but the Lakshartha of Jiva, Tvapada Lakshartha, which is Akhanda Chid. Akhanda Chid, which is comparable to the ocean, the consciousness which is undivided, unsegmented, that kind of consciousness which is an ocean of consciousness. In those, all these devas come up like waves, tarangayante. They are just waves. They are just manifestations of the same, just like the wave is one form of water. Similarly, all the forms of Ishvaras are just manifestations of one consciousness when associated with Tattadupadhi. But it is all Chaitanya, and the same Chaitanya which is manifest in the Samashti is manifest also as Jiva, also with this Vyashti Upadhi, and you, the Purva Pakshi, seeing the Vyashti Upadhi, wants the Samashti Upadhi to be worshipped, whereas I am the Chidghana Swarupa of Jiva as well as Ishvara. I am the Swarupa Antargata Chaitanya, which is Adhisthana, Nama Rupayor Adhisthana, the Ishvara, all these Harihara Brahma Namadi, Nama Rupadi, or my own, what you are seeing, the Jiva, Nama Rupa, I am the Adhisthana of those, that Chaitanya I am, which is Ekameva Dvitiya. Tasmat, and then Ataha Mai Sarva Prapanchadhisthane, that kind of me who is the Adhisthana for the entire Prapancha, which is Nama Rupatmaka, at the Vyashti and Samashti level, or what you see as Jagat, all of the Jagat Karane Smrute, that kind of Karana, Sarva Karananam Karanam, which is Swakarana Rahita, does not have own Karana, that kind of me. All the Matkarya Bhutaste Sarve Api Devaha Smrta Eva Bhavanti. Although Shuddha Chaitanya is not really a Karana, but as long as Karya is seen, Karanatvam has to be attributed, which has to be imagined, bringing in anything else which can be superimposed on me. Because the Purva Pakshi is seeing all these Karya Bhuta Devatas. Karya Bhuta because Upadhi is Karya Bhuta. Thereby, what you see the Purva Pakshi, all these are floating in me, or not floating, but here in the form of wave, being the Vichara Sagara, Ambudhi. Further, Tasmat Svavishayaka Mangalacharanam Eva Yuktam. Therefore, this Mangalacharana, which is related to me, which has Chidghana as the basis, Adhisthana as the basis, that itself is appropriate, so much so that not one or two devatas, but all devatas will be covered just by Chaitanya Smarana. The other question is, Nanu, Hari Haradayo Devaha Maya Vishishta Chaitanya Atmaka Ishvara Rupa Samudrasya Taranga iti Vaktum Yuktam Natu Tava. So Purva Pakshi is saying, what you are saying is about the Taranga. Devas are Taranga, Hari Haradayaha, where Maya Vishishta Chaitanya. The Maya Vishishta Chaitanya, that is the Swarupa of such an Ishvara who manifests in the form of Hari Hara, etc. That kind of Samudra, I can understand that the Devas are waves there. But you being the Samudra is not right. Natu tava. Ataha Ishvara Visheka Mangalacharanam Yujyate. So you have to think about Ishvara, who is the Maya Vishishta Chaitanya, not you, who is Jiva Upadhi Vishishta Chaitanya. Kincha Vrukshamula Sechanena Yatha Tat Shaka Skandadayaha. I think this is the Takara, just add mark. So Tat Shaka should be okay. Tat Shaka Skandadayaha Trupyanti Yatha Annapanadi Janita Prana Truptya Indriyadi Truptihi Bhavati Evam Ishvara Visheka Mangalacharanine Eva Tad Vibhuti Bhute Tad Vibhuti Bhuta Itara Devata Mangalacharanam Siddhyet Natu Twan Mangalacharanad iti chet. So further he says, therefore what Ishvara Vishekam Mangalacharana you should do, and then just as he gives examples, what happens when Ishvara Visheka Mangalacharana is done, he gives examples just like Vrukshamula Sechanena Yatha Tat Shaka Skandadeha Trupyanti. Just as when you water the roots, the entire tree, including its branches, the trunk, all the bits and pieces get nourished just by nourishing the roots. Or he says, Yatha Annapanadi Janita Prana Truptya Indriyadi Trupti Bhavati. The Indriyas, the sense organs, get nourished when, or actually they get satisfied when Trupti. There is Trupti for the sense organs when the Annapanadi Janita Prana Trupti happens. The prana which is nourished with the food and gets satisfied, then the sense organs whom the prana feeds, nourishes and satisfies, they also get satisfied. Thereby you have to go for the generic. The specifics will get nourished, which are antargata in the generic. Evam Ishvara Visheka Mangalacharaneneva. Ishvara being the samashti, the universal, the total, you have to do Mangalacharana unto him, and when you do that, each and every entity will get included. Tad Vibhuti Bhuta Itara Devata. All the devatas who are In the Gita, 11th chapter, we see the Vishwarupa Darshana, or the entire set of devatas and other than devatas are also included in the Virat Swarupa. Thereby this Ishvara has his vibhutis as other devatas. So tad vibhuti bhuta itara devata mangalacharanam siddhyet. Natu twan mangalacharanaditi chet. What is going to happen with your mangalacharana? Nothing is going to happen. Who is included in you? Your family members are not included, let alone devatas. So this is the kind of akshepa that the Purva Pakshi is making. The samadhana there is uchyate. Yogivir hridaye chintyamanaha sarvajnyaha krupalur ishvaraha api mayopadi vashat mai eva akhanda chinmatre swapna indra jalam maya marichi udaka gandharva nagara rajju sarpadi vat mrusha adhyaropitaha tatha cha uktam. So uchyate, answer given is just as yogis do dhyana, so they chintane. So what they are? Yogi vi hridaye chintyamana sarvajnyaha krupalu ishvara. Ishvara, Sankhya it has said Seshvara or Nirishvaravada. Both are possible, but yoga brings in Ishvara definitely. So Ishvara dhyana is possible in Yoga Shastra, and yogis meditate, whether yogis as per Yoga Shastra or yogis who follow yoga even while being Vedantins. No issue there. But whom do they really worship? They worship Ishvara. They do dhyana upon Ishvara, who is supposed to be Sarvajna, Sarvam Janati iti Sarvajnaha. He is Sarvajna, and Krupalu, he is so compassionate, that kind of Ishvara, who is Mayo Upadi Vashat, using his Maya Shakti. He wields the Maya Shakti, which is his own Upadi. Otherwise, the Nirguna cannot become Sarvajna or any Karana also. Using the Maya Upadi, he creates, he sustains, he creates or manifests, sustains and unmanifests the entire prapancha. So Maya Upadi Vashat Mayi Eva Akhanda Chinmatre. That Nirguna Brahma which becomes a Karana is not different from me. That is Chaitanya Swarupa Nirguna Brahma Atma. That is me. So using that Maya Upadi, the Chaitanya which is same underlying the Samashti and Vyashti, that Chinmatra me, which is Akhanda, Ekameva Advitiya. So Mayi Eva Akhanda Chinmatre Maya Upadi Vashat, that Sarvajna Krupalu Ishvaraha Yogivi Hridaye Chintyamanaha Swapna Indra Jala Maya Marichi Ityadi. Mrusha Adhyaropitaha Tanvat Mrusha Adhyaropitaha. Mithya, Mrusha is Mithya. That Ishvara is also Mithya. You will not find this kind of at the beginning at least, and in many granthas at the end also, you will not see this Adhyaropita Ishvara. How can Ishvara be Adhyaropita? The Ishvaratva Padvi is Adhyaropita. That role, Maya is also Kalpita. Maya is brought in. Bhagavad Padacharya says in Viveka Chudamani, Maya is brought in to explain how Nirguna became Saguna, how Nirguna became Karana, Jagat Karana. Jagat Karana has been mentioned earlier. Now this Jagat Karana, Ishvara, how can it be Nirguna? Karanatvam is a guna. In Nirguna you cannot have Karanatvam. Nirgunatvam and Karanatvam are contrary to each other. Sputa Virodha. Clearly there is a contradiction. Therefore Bhagavan Bhashyakara, Bhagavad Padacharya in Viveka Chudamani, he says Karyanumeya Maya. Maya is inferred due to the Karya. When you see the Karya Prapancha, you need a Karana. That Karana cannot be Nirguna Brahma, but there is nothing other than Brahma. So you have to attribute karanatvam to Brahma, Brahma being nirguna, you have to make it saguna. To make it saguna, something else has to be kalpita. We don't have to do kalpana, Shruti herself does kalpana. So Shruti does the kalpana and says that Maya is Shakti, which becomes an upadhi to that Brahma, who becomes saguna with that upadhi and then becomes karana. Because now being saguna, he can have this Maya upadhi, karanatva as a guna. He can have the guna and then he is vivarta. He does not change. He or it, you can say nirguna Brahma does not change. But he who has taken pullinga by becoming the wielder of Maya Shakti, thereby, as Bhagavad Krishna, Gita Acharya says that I am the Pita and Maya Shakti is like the Mata of the Jagat. So thereby they become the parents of the Jagat and Karana. That is possible as this imagined Maya is brought in. All this is imagined and therefore Adhyaropita, Ishvara also is Adhyaropita. How can the Karya which is Mithya with Maya which is Mithya superimposed on Nirguna Brahma make Ishvaratvam real? Ishvaratvam cannot be real. So Ishvara is Mrisha Adhyaropita, Mithya, also superimposed, Kalpita, to explain the Vyavastha of this Karya Prapancha, the Sambandha with the Karya Prapancha, only for sadhana to be possible. All Vyavahara to be possible and further sadhana, because for us, Manushya Janma is for Purushartha Siddhi. Purushartha is only one, Moksha. Therefore, how it is Adhyaropita for that purpose, examples are given like Swapna in dream, just like the dream is Mithya, Indrajala magic, all of these Maya, Indrajala Maya. Then the mirage water is explained, Marichi Udaka, Gandharva Nagara. So you see the cloud formations making some kind of a city, which is now there and now gone. That kind of formation which does not last long. Even if the prapancha lasts for a kalpa, it is not long, because in the ananta kala, it is nothing. And Rajju Sarpa, we know these examples, Adipadena, anything that you can bring in, the silver superimposed on shell or nacre. Vrisha Adhyaropitaha, Tathacha Uktam, and similarly it has been said elsewhere in Kaivalya Upanishad. So, Mayi eva sakalam jatam, Mayi sarvam pratishtitam, Mayi sarvam layan yati, Tad Brahmadvayam Asmyaham. So, Mayi eva sakalam jatam, everything comes about in me. This everything is what? Sakalam, the entire prapancha. Sarvam Mayi eva pratishtitam, everything is sustained in me. Mayi eva sarvam layam yati, all the pralaya also takes place only in me. That me is Tad Brahma, that is Brahma, Advaya Brahma, without a segmentation of that and me. And further, even this Sakala Jata also, this entire Sarva Prapancha also is not separate from the Adhisthana, just like Swapna is not separate from the dreamer. Swapna Drashta, it is not different from the Swapna Drashta. Indrajala Maya, all these are not different from the Mayi. The mirage water is not separate from the desert. Adhisthana is the Satta of the Adhyaropita. Therefore, Advayam Asmi Aham, I am that non-dual Brahma on which all the devatas are also superimposed, Adhyaropita Mrisha, just like you are saying. He is saying, Purvapakshi, that you are right. You are talking about the same Ishvara who I am. You do not know that, but I am that Ishvara, I am that Chaitanya. So what you are saying and what I am saying is not different. By making a Mangalacharana offering unto that Chaitanya which is me, the same purpose is met as what you are targeting. आत्मतः एव इदं सर्वम. So छांदोग्य सप्तमो अध्याय says आत्मतः एव इदं सर्वम. All this has come from Atma itself. Atma, the mukhya artha is the self for each and every one. Aham aham taya, whatever is there, that is Atma. Further, the Kaivalya Upanishad quotation again, Anuraniyan ahameva tadvat mahanaham vishwamidam vichitram puratanoham purushoham isho hiranmayoham shivarupa rupamasmi. So, Anuraniyan. Elsewhere, Anuraniyan, Mahato Mahiyan. Smaller than the smallest, bigger than the biggest. Actually, smaller than the smallest itself, aham eva tadvat, and mahanaham. How can it be the smallest as well as the biggest? Brihat tattva. Meaning it is beyond any kind of possibility of size. Size is there only if there is a form. That formless me, Chaitanya, does not have a form. Does not have a possibility of being big or small. Beyond all those nama rupas, really, Vishwam Midam Vichitram, all of this is this Vishwa Vichitra Vividha Prakara Vishwa which is there, that is all me. And Puratana Purapi, Navaha, Purana also, Puratanaha. Purushaha, Aham Isha, I am that Ishvara, Purusha. You see many times in the Bhashya it comes up. Puranat Purusha or Purishete Va is there in each and every individual residing aham taya, that is Purusha, or Puranat Purusha, one who makes this entire thing whole, that Turiya Tattva, which is pervading each and every state, each and every kosha, entire prapancha. Hiranmaya shows the Chaitanya Swarupa which is shining, not really gold but the shining tattva. Shiva Rupam, auspicious form, Shanta Swarupa, Aham Asmi. Lot of quotations are there. Swapurnatma tirekena jagat jiveshwaradeha nasanti nasti maya cha tebhyashchaham vilakshanaha swadhisthana ruposmi sarvadachit ghanosmyaham rakshako vishnurityadi brahma srishtestu karanam संहारे रुद्र इत्येवं सर्वं मिथ्येति निश्चिनु. चिद्घना सर्वदा चिद्घना अस्मि अहम. This is that चिद्घना that the translator Bhagavan Vasudeva Brahmendra uses that in his Mangalacharana. Chiddghana Ganapati and who is me, Asmi Aham. And further, Tadeva Brahma Tum Vidhi Nedam Yadina Upasate Kenopanishad. This is from somewhere else. Maybe Kaivalya itself. I don't recall. Swapurnatmatirekena Jagat Jiveshwaradayaha Na Santi Nasti Mayacha Tebhyascha Aham Vilakshanaha. I am separate from all these. These are all Anatma. Anatma, they are Mithya. Swapurnatma Tirekena. And I am separate from them, and all of these Anatma borrow their satta from me. Without me, Atirekena Nasti Nasanti. Maya Nasti Jagat Jiveshwaradeha Nasanti. So Sarva Adhisthana Rupa, I am that. We have seen yesterday, Lakshana, what is the real Lakshana? Nama Rupayor Adhishthanam. That alone is sufficient. Through and through. Not only in that pair, but if you look at it, in all pairs, any pair would work. And in this particular pair, Nama Rupayo Adhisthana itself is sufficient. Therefore, that is the main Lakshana. That is the, if you use Laghavam, that is self-sufficient. That is the only Lakshana which will work, because there is nothing else. Adhisthana can be in Rajju Sarpa. It was explained that Rajju, Vyavaharika Rajju is the Adhisthana for the Pratibhasika Sarpa. But Vyavaharika Rajju itself is Pratibhasika. It itself is Kalpita because entire Prapancha is Kalpita. including the Jiva also. Jiva, Ishvara, both. Jivatva, Ishvaratvam, both are kalpita in Chaitanya, Satchidananda Brahma, which is me, therefore Satchidananda Brahmatma, upon which everything is kalpita, therefore Adhisthana is really Tat Upahita Chaitanyam eva. There is only Chaitanya, which is me, Chidghana Asmi Aham, Sarvadhisthana Rupaha, Sarvada, and always, not once in a while. Rakshakaha, Vishnu Ityadi, Brahma Srishte Hetu, Karanam, Samhare Rudra Ityevam, Sarvam Mithya. All this triad which comes up playing a role, each of the roles, all of that is Mithya iti nischinu. Ascertain this, it has to be ascertained. There is nothing wrong in saying Ishvara is Mithya when Jivatvam is negated as Mithya. Ishvaratvam cannot be held on to, need not be held on to, when you know Chaitanya alone exists. It would be wrong, of course, to say that Ishvara is Mithya and hold on to Jivatva and keep on doing whatever one's whims and fancies allow. That is wrong. That is Neo-Vedanta. This is Drishti Srishti Vada. This is Mandukya Karika Vada. Ajata Vada really. All these are Mithya means, where is this Jivatva when I was never born? Where is Ishvara when Ishvara himself is not born? Tadeva Brahmatvam Vidhi, Nedam Yadidam Upasate, and you are talking about this Mangalacharana, Upasana, Ityadi unto Ishvara. All this is done is all right, but that is not Brahma. Tadeva Brahmatvam Vidhi, says the Acharya in Kenopanishad, not one that you objectify even in Upasana. The Ishvara, Sagunat Brahma, who is Upasya, whereas Nirguna cannot be Upasya in the real sense. Although there is Nirguna Brahma Upasana, Ahangra Upasana exists, still it is not really as an object. Therefore, Yadidam Upasate, that is Naidam Vidhi, know that it is not that which you are doing Upasana of, that is not Brahma. That is not the real Sarupa of Brahma. You have to do Jahad Ajal Lakshana there, you have to apply Lakshana. Somewhere, I think in Naishkarmya Siddhi, Bhagavan Sureshwaracharya proves that if you are doing it one way, if you already land on Chaitanya on one side, on the other side it is only Jahal Lakshana. You may not need, you can land on the Tattva even by Jahal Lakshana, need not necessarily be Jahad Ajal Lakshana because it is one side if you do it. One side becomes Mithya, other side you are holding as real, there you have to use Jahal Lakshana. Finally, you land on basically whichever Prakriya you use, you have to land on Chaitanya. Once you land on Chaitanya as Nitya, you can do Bhagavad Aradhana, you can do Upasana, all that you can do. You can do Puja Puraskara, but not as with this Kamana of let me get something with the Bheda. Even in Puja we have very simple statement which drives home the Advaita Tattva. Devo Bhutva Devam Yajet. You have to become the Devata. You do Nyasa. Those who do Nyasa, they know you invoke the Lord in you. How do you invoke the Lord in you? You are the Adhisthana, where you invoke. Adhyaropita. Devo Bhutva Devam Yajet. When you do Puja, you have to become the Devata. That is the real Puja. Veda Puja is not real Puja. Sandhya Vandana, the real goal, you are the real goal. There is no Surya outside. There is no Surya within. There is no outside or inside. It is the only Tattva which is existent, that is Chaitanya. Athayo anyam devata upaste, anyo aso, anyaha aham asmi iti, nasa veda yatha pashuhu. So Brihadaranyaka Upanishad has been very clear and holds no bars. Says that person is equivalent to a Pashu. Pashu cannot see Aikya. Pashu cannot be taught. But this human being who can be taught, he would be like a Pashu, or actually if you look at it, he is worse than a Pashu. Pashu unfortunately does not have buddhi. This human being born as a human being, begged for the life of a human being, comes to this life, is taught Advaita Tattva, but still does not understand holds on the Pashutva Veda. Pashutva is Veda there. So Yatha Pashu, Sa Na Veda. That person does not know. Who is that? Atha Yaha Anyam Devata Upasate. You do Upasana of Devata, all Devatas, but not as Anya. If you see them, Veda as real, oh, you are different, I am different, Upaste, Anyaha Asau Anyaham Asmi Iti Upaste. Thana Veda. That person does not know, that Upasaka does not know the Tattva, which is okay. But Yatha Pashu na Veda, Tatha Sana Veda. Some may think it is very derogatory, but it is Brihad Mantra. It is not a statement that the Acharya here makes. He is quoting Brihadaranyaka. It is why? Because Pashutvam Yatha Pashu, because Devata, just like Pashu, here it is not like Pashu Buddhi. It is shown as how the Pashu is, the cattle is wealth, Dhana. For in the old setup, Pashu is Dhana. So, we do not want to give away our Pashu. We want to hold on to them. Similarly, Devatas want to hold on to Upasaka because it is like, in modern language, like losing a customer, you say. You want to hold on to your customers. Devatas get trupti. There is a dependence on each other. You take care of the Devata having invoked the Lord. It is a cycle, it is all cyclical. You offer as Nevedya, you take as Prasada, you get blessed. But you offer first because there is Prana Pratishtha being done in the idol. We are not worshipping the idol. We are not idol worshippers. We worship the Devata, the Chaitanya Tattva in the particular form of a Devata invoked in the deity. There is a Prana Pratishtha done. Prana, whenever Prana is there, there will be hunger and thirst. Prana, that is the characteristic of Prana. So that Devata who has been invoked has hunger and thirst. You cannot keep it hungry. You cannot keep the Devata hungry. As is the form, that much Nevedyam should be offered. This is all Vyavastha. And when you offer it, it is a continuing effort. This is also true for all Upasanas Ityadi. Then, how can you suddenly give up? It is like, you had so much of cattle, suddenly some cattle go away, then you feel bad about it. You own the cattle. So similarly, the Devatas, for Devatas, this is Dhana. The Upasaka is like a Pashu. This is the Dvaita Nindadan. And this Ninda need not be, it is Arthavada. You can take it as Arthavada. Naininda Nyaya is being used. It is to praise the Advaita Tattva. We need not take all this literally. I am just explaining it so that Buddhi becomes Tivra. Otherwise, it is Nahi Ninda Nyaya. It is not to, Nahi Ninda Ninditum Pravartate into Videyam Stotum. So, there is, the Ninda is not for the sake of Ninda. It is not to criticize the Dvaitins as Pashu, but it is to praise the Advaita Tattva. It is one of the Shadlingas for Tatparya Nishya. So Advaita is the Tatparya Nishya, and this Purva Pakshi, giving up that, he is taking to the Ishwaratva for Mangalacharana. It would be okay, but there also it is not with the Bheda. For a Siddhanti, it is always a Bheda. Sarvam tam paradadyaha anyatra atmana sarvam Veda. And such a person should be, is Nindita also, he is kept outside. You should, in fact, an Advaitin should avoid the company of any Dvaitin. This is what I said here. Sarvam tam paradadyaha anyatra atmana sarvam Veda. He is to be kept outside, ityadi shrutibhya. This is what I recall. So that's the continuing Akshepa. Further, Tadeva Brahma, not that. Ityadi Shrutivya, Sarvam Chayetad Avidyaya Trigunaya Sesham Maya Kalpitam Swasminneva Swapnavad Ishanatvad Di Sarva Kalpanaya जीव सर्व विकारोपादानम इति ब्रुवन्ति अन्ये अन्ये ब्रुवन्ति and elsewhere इत्यादि वचन शतेभ्यश्च hundreds of such statements exist across Shruti and Smriti. Sarvam chetad avidya triguna is maya, which is avidya. Ishena sa vartate sarvam iti sarvam sesham sarvam. Along with Ishvara, all of this karya, etad karya, whichever can be objectified, all of this is maya kalpitam. It is all along with Ishvara. This you will not find at many places. Maya kalpitam. Ishwarena saha. Isha is Ishvara. Ishwarena saha sarvam maya kalpitam. It is imagined by me, which means not an individual who is limited. This Chaitanya is me, maya kalpitam. Chaitanya himself takes the upadhi of avidya, mayaya, shaktya, trigunaya, which is having these three gunas, sattva, rajas, tamas. Using those, the Ishwarattam has also been imagined by me, by this Chaitanya Rupa me. Again, how? Using Maya Shakti. Swasminneva swapnavad ishanatvad, the ishanatwadi sarvakalpanaya. How? Like in a dream, I imagine Ishvara also I can imagine in dream. How? Ishvara as in the overlord in that dream. In the dream, there will be some ruler, there will be some king also, there can be a lot of people, there will be praja, there is jagat. Swapna prapancha is all created by me. Similarly is this Jagrat prapancha also. Jiva sarva vikara upadanam iti bruvanti anye. Sarva vikara upadanam. Again upadana has come, the adhisthana ityartha. Karana actually, karana, sarva upadanam is karana. इत्यादि वचन शतेभ्यश्च यद् यत्र कल्पितं नैव ततो अधिष्ठानाद् अतिरिच्यते इति न्यायाद् ईश्वरादीनां मयि अखण्ड चिदात्मनि अध्यस्तत्वेन मत्स्वरूपानुसन्धानादेव तेषां देवतान्तराणाम् अपि मंगलाचरणं सिद्ध्यति इति न कापि अनुपपत्तिः. Sometimes when the word is broken with a hyphen, I get a little disoriented. That's my process. I get a little I have to pause and see what has happened. If there is no hyphen, it is a little easier. So yat yatra kalpitam naiva tat tata adhisthana atirichyate iti nyayad. There is a nyaya that whatever is imagined, projected onto something, that has no different satta. It is not different from the adhisthana. We saw in the earlier example itself, the mirage water is not different from the desert because it is imagined, it is not real. Satta itself is borrowed. Therefore, Ishvara, etc., Ishvaradina Mayi Akhanda Chidatmani Adhyastatvena, because Ishvara ityadi are also imagined in me, who is Chidatma. Mat Swarupa Anusandhana Deva. Therefore, Anusandhana of my own Swarupa, which is done in Mangalacharana, if I just do my own Chaitanya Smarana, Tesham Devata Antarana api. Others also, all the Devatas also, which is this Chaitanya is the very Swarupa of all Devatas. Mangalacharanam Siddhyati, na kapi anupapatti. There is no issue with that. It is not untenable. It is possible. Try and understand that what you are saying is basically the Chaitanya underlying, which is me. Therefore, there is no issue there. Nanu shuddhe brahmani ishvara kalpita iti shakyate vaktum natu sutaram tvai parichinne. Not unto you. Again he says, you are limited. Jiva, you are limited. Parichinna. Unto you there cannot be Ishvara who is imagined. Ishvara ityadi. Shuddhe brahmani eva shakyate. This Ishvara Shuddhe brahmani eva kalpita. Iti vaktum shakyate natu tvai. You are limited, unto you there cannot be Brihi Vriddhav, this Brahma who is limitless, Purna, unto that Brahma Ishvara can be imagined, not unto you who is a limited Jiva. Ata Nirguna Brahma Smaranena eva कृतानि भवन्ति इतर सकल देवता मंगलानि न तु त्वत्स्मरणात् इति चेत्. Therefore, the Mangalacharana of all devatas are possible only if Brahma Chintana is done, not by your Chintana. Your Smarana, nothing is going to happen. There the response is given, Uchyate, Yatha Adhisthana Bhuta Rajvadi Ajnanat Sarpadi Brahmaha Tad Adhisthana Yathatmya Jnanena Tannivrittischa Tatha Sakala Jagad Adhisthana Pratyag Eka Rasa Brahma Jnanat Jagat Pratiyate तदा अपरोक्षेण निशेषम निवर्तते च तच्च अधिष्ठानम ब्रह्म प्रत्यगात्मा अहमेव. Now he finally explains that what Brahma you are talking about, that is aham, that is me, that is me, that is you. The ahantaya atma in you is also that. There is no also, it is eka, it is never segmented. Even when you say aham jiva, Vyavaharika Jiva, even then that Brahma Tattva is not segmented. Why are you so confused? Yatha Adhisthana Bhuta Rajvadi Ajnanat. Due to the Ajnana, the Adhisthana Ajnana, Rajju, such as Rajju. You do not know the Rajju as Rajju, then that is the Avarana Shakti effect is Vikshepa. You have Vikshepa where you see the sarpa. The Rajju itself is seen as sarpa. So sarpadi brahma bhavati. If the desert is not known as desert, then alone you can have the bhranti of the mirage water. It is not real water. But as soon as you know Rajju as Rajju, tadadhisthana yathatmya jnanena, yatha bhavati tatha. Yathatmya jnana is just in its very own swarupa, just as it is. Tan nivrittischa, sarpa nivritti, bhranti nivritti, brahma nivritti, tat is brahma nivritti, sarpadi brahma nivritti. So adhisthana jnanena brahma nivritti, adhyaropita brahma nivritti. Therefore tatha sakala jagad adhisthana pratyag ekarasa brahma. The pratyag ekarasa brahma, the innermost, and Ekarasa is again homogeneous, which is never segmented. Sakala Jagad Adhisthana, which is the Adhisthana for the entire Jagat. If you do not know that Brahma, due to that Ajnana regarding that Brahma, which does not let you know, your Jnana is not strong enough to counter that Ajnana, then Jagat Pratiyate. This is Jagat Pratiyate means what? Jagat Brahma Bhavati. There is Jagat Brahma. Tada aparokshena or tad aparokshena nishesham nivartate cha. Then once you have this aparoksha jnana of that Brahma, what is aparoksha jnana? Brahma aham asmi. Then nishesham nivartate cha, there is nivritti of Brahma. Taccha adhishtanam, Jagat nivritti is there. Taccha adhishtanam Brahma pratyagatma ahameva. I am that Brahma. Further, lot of shlokas are quoted as pramana. Mangalacharana discussion, whether it is right or wrong, still continues. We will see more in the next patha. Mangalacharana will close with that. Sukham nityam saprakasham vyapakam namarupyo adhishthanam buddhyabodhyam buddherdrukyattu nirmalam aparam sarvedanta vedyam pratyak param maha tadevaham namattonyad iti me nishchitamatihi.